Buju's Bashment. Hi, I'm Sakina. 3 months after returning home, Buju Banton finally face-to-face with his fans at his first concert since serving an 8-year prison term. Tens of thousands filling the National Stadium to see Banton live. For many, the long wait and steep ticket prices well worth it.
Extraordinary scenes at the National Stadium. Bob Marley, the last musician to receive this level of adulation here. The 1978 Peace Concert unlike any other event in modern Jamaica. But Buju Banton creating his own brand of history through Long Walk to Freedom. Out of sight for almost 9 long years, but clearly not out of mind. The stadium filling up early with Jamaicans of different walks, some from overseas, all expecting something special and wanting to bear witness. Showgoers in an exuberant mood sustained throughout the show, most arriving on shuttle buses from Heroes Park, to a gig that actually started on time, with opening acts ranging from close family
I am Jazzy Miley, the son of Buju Banton.
To the bizarre but entertaining, to the currently cool and cooler still. Cockatee, Remain Virgo, Agent Sasko and Etana all playing to a tight script. Backstage, heaving with heavies. The long-awaited moment arriving without much fanfare. Buju Banton's entrance, like his white outfit, stark and simple. The Tilshila DJs return to the local stage, almost somber. Banton tapping into a hits-laden catalogue of 90s chart toppers. Along with the later anthems that showed off a maturing outlook and songwriting range. From It's All Over to Driver, Buju and his fans were of one accord, but there were lapses in the link. Too many unauthorized bodies at the rear of the stage, creating momentary havoc with sound. Audience members happy, however, to make some noise. The DJ's band and backup singers also filling in whatever vocal gaps appeared in the Stars' 2 hours plus set. And Banton calling up the likes of Beres Hammond.
I'm so tired. Tired. What a confrontation.
Marcia Griffiths. And Wayne Wonder to relive special moments. Despite organisers' promises to the contrary, Buju Banton saying almost nothing on stage about his arrest on drug trafficking charges and subsequent imprisonment, perhaps with a mind to staying on schedule. Long Walk to Freedom closing as it opened on a quiet, almost prayerful note. Lots to take away from the concert, including stage shows can, with proper planning, start and finish pretty much on time, and not drag on and on, more music marathon than good night out. As for Buju Banton, attention now turning to what the DJ may have in store in terms of new musical output. The National Stadium confirming that he's still very much a force to be reckoned with. The dancehall star already booked for Reggae Sumfest, and his next Long Walk to Freedom appearance set for March 30 in the Bahamas.
Among the many thousands present for the March 16 gig at the National Stadium, scores of big names in the music business, and many more who flew into the island just to see Buju Banton. But the concert also playing out amidst controversy originating from within the star's own family.
Fans on a high after Long Walk to Freedom. Visitors paying more to be here, but not counting the cost.
Born in Jamaica, live in DC, grew up in Brooklyn, New York, come back to Jamaica just for Buju.
How was tonight's experience?
Wonderful and exciting, and I'll do it again. I think I might travel and follow him go Barbados or Trinidad.
I think he delivered. He performed for over 2 hours. He delivered. We were here since 4 o'clock.
This was epic. It was worth every single penny that I spent on my hard-earned money. Epic. It was as if he never left. For me, I was moved, I was touched. I felt like so proud to be of Caribbean heritage. So whatever's going on in his life, trust God is gonna pave the path for him and he's gonna be all right.
I'm glad I came here. We came in this morning. I know we're here. Me and my wife made it in, and boy, we almost missed we flight. And we make sure we still get here to see this performance. And I will say, thank you, Buju. Bless. We appreciate it, man. It was a good concert.
I live in New York, and I wouldn't go to buy a Gucci on Canal Street. I come to where it belongs to. You understand? This is where the man from. This is where the music come from. I'll come here first and do this, and do anything else afterwards. TVJ, original. You don't go for fake. So I come Jamaica first to get Buju. You understand? Everybody else, second class. We do it number one, we do it the second.
In the lead up to the National Stadium gig, Banton's son Marcus took to social media to berate his father. A family dispute playing out in public apparently. The young Mary has since apologized, but some damage already done.
There's a time and place for things. You do not try to kill somebody's shine when they're gonna make the biggest show. That's not cool. You leave your family business behind closed doors, you don't bring it on the road, right? It's not a cool look. And regardless of the bad minding and the talking, he did an awesome show. You should be happy for your daddy.
I heard all drama and this and that and blah, blah, blah with, you know, some allegations against him with his, you know, son and all of that and all that drama. But yeah, that no, just so the things that everybody unruly and these kids, they just need to be put in their place. But free Buju, that me say. Buju come on road, and we're there for Buju. Buju 2019, yeah.
I find that the public reacted ambivalently. They want to see Buju, they love Buju, and they were not pleased that Marcus decided to go into social media and put something as personal and as family oriented as that out there.
You're going to cool down at some point. You're going to wish you could take it all back, but you can't because you put it out there on social media. Social media is dangerous.
Social media is very dangerous, and oftentimes we think we are in our own backyard talking to individuals who we know, and when we put it out there in the international framework, what we do is we are sending to the public, the international public, an idea of who we are as a person, as a son, as a man, and as an individual who also wants a career in the industry.
For root singer Coca T, the return of Buju Banton fills a void in the music business.
And you know that Buju has been an integral part of reggae music for so long. And there was a big void that was created with the incarceration of Buju Banton.
Taras Riley not performing but very much present.
What do you think he means to Jamaica?
Mean a lot. Mean a lot to me. The words, sound, the power, the music when represent, the struggle and the victory, it means a lot. Good example for ghetto youth, regardless of the mistakes or whatever people want to use against him.
Governor among the new faces of dancehall, paying tribute to a dancehall legend.
Yo, it means everything to me right now, for the saying, I couldn't miss it for the world. Like, if you love dancehall and reggae music, there's no way Buju Banton can have his first show after the release and you're not here, you get me? So I have to be here, and I mean to see the government and, you know, be a fan tonight. Right now, I'm even governor, I'm Romeo the fan right now, you see?
New sensation Coffee doing a brief turn during Coca T's set.
It means the world to me at a time like this when I'm one of the youngest, and it's such a huge opportunity for me to embrace the music and be able to be in the middle of such a great moment of Buju coming home and performing for the first time, so it's just been amazing.
Will he go with the righteous? Or will he go with the damned?